everyone, it's me, Tiffany, with TAMG Realty, and today we're going to speak about some home improvement tips for your residents. So guys, tip number one, go green. I know that's broad, but let's break it down a little bit, meaning your appliances that will do energy saving for you. Biodegradable products, that means less plastic, even down to your recycling, paper, plastic, glass. Solar panel is an option if you can. That's also going green. Even the product that you clean with, that's biodegradable product that you could use, that's even healthier for you. The thing about now is to get more healthier in your home, healthier in your life, so you could be better, live longer, enjoy your hard work, your hard labor. So guys, go green. Second, send your clutter packing. Send all of that. Clear your atmosphere, clear your energy, clear your home. So all the clutter, send them packing. If you have not used an item for over 6 months or even a year, for my pack rats, if you haven't used an item for a very long time, that means you really don't need it, right? So guys, the third tip is to create your home office oasis. What I mean by that is things that you like, things that get your creative juice flowing, like plants that brings great positive energy. It brings calmness, right? A waterfall, so you can hear that waterfall in the background. You could go to Pinterest to get ideas, oil diffuser, oil burners, things like that to get you going, get you energized, to put you in a different mindset in your home office, to get you doing your work and not being stagnant. So stay tuned, guys, for more tips. Until next time, toodaloo.